That's some unbelievable ductwork up here. So we got a supply, maybe a 14 or 16 return, 14 or 16 inch return, and some company came out and added a return over there. We have a return here, but the duct is off. So they were like, oh, we're going to add a return. Same size duct as this duct going in, and we're adding this return into there as well. So we got like maybe some 16s going into a 16. And from the top side, you can see that the ductwork isn't connected up here very well. No insulation on it. And then to top it off, that duct is totally kinked. That return duct is totally kinked, that they added is totally kinked right there. Runs into this Y. Okay, so 16. So it's like a 16, 16, 16 Y. I have a feeling we're going to be taking care of that.